In this video, we're going to talk about a usage scenario for the TRUTOUCH whiteboard. Under normal circumstances, in your classroom, you're going to use what's known as Plan A. Plan A will be your computing device, which you'll have connected to your TRUTOUCH. That's where you have your lessons and all your materials, and 99 times out of 100, that's going to be the usage scenario for using the TRUTOUCH. But there will be those circumstances that one time out of 100 when Plan A is not going to work for you, and you have to go to Plan B. This could be because your computer has crashed, or it could be because you have a substitute teacher in that day. Under those circumstances, one very good tool to use in order to make use of the TRUTOUCH in the classroom would be the whiteboard. The TRUTOUCH whiteboard really is a very convenient solution to use, because all I have to do is tap one tool and I'm ready to put ink on the board. I'll tap my writing utensil and I can say quiz on Friday, and I can say memorize the presidents in chapters 1 to 3. And then I also have the ability to select a highlighter, and I can highlight, please, chapters 1 through 3. And finally, a great tool to erase information on the screen is what I like to call the claw. Take all 5 digits of the claw, put it on the screen, and then begin erasing large amounts. And there you have it, the TRUTOUCH whiteboard, a great Plan B in a pinch.